All right, to make these donuts, you are going to start your oil and you want to get to 340 degrees. This is a great little thermometer to help you see where you're going. 320 to 340 is what you want. Then you're going to take your biscuits and you're going to cut out little holes in the center. If you don't have a little biscuit cutter or donut hole cutter like that, just take your finger right in the center and just make yourself a hole. Just like that. You want your oil on medium heat. Then you're going to gently put in your donuts.
All of them?
Yep. Well, you won't be able to fit all of them in there. Here you go. Just gently lay them in there. I have my son making them. He's learning how to make donuts here. Okay, now see that one that's stuck on the bottom? You want to take your tongs and just, there you go. Okay, now that one, flip it over. It's already getting brown. You want your heat about 320 to 340. Okay?
Sorry.
It's all right. Just give it a minute there. Go grab yourself another paper plate to drain them on.
Oh, that one's not cooked either.
It's all right. It'll take just a minute. Now you can see how they're turning golden. Go ahead and flip them over. Ooh, donut perfection.
Do I put them on the plate and then powder
Yep.
them, or just?
So when you put them, when you take them out, you put them on the plate to drain. Let them cool slightly, but you still want them warm because they hold the powdered sugar better. And then you put them in the powdered sugar. All right, now lift up the bottoms and see if they're cooked.
No.
Okay, what about that brown one there? That one might be getting cooked.
No.
Okay. What's your temperature at? Just for curiosity's sake.
340.
Okay, very good. You just cook them until they're nice and golden. And then drain them on a paper plate right there.
Pop quiz. What do you do if there's a grease fire?
Oh, put baking soda on it.
False. You throw a cup of water at it.
No! Oh my goodness. Okay, don't listen to my son. You throw baking soda on it. All right.
Gotta get that insurance money.
Oh.
It's a hard times, Mom.
All right, now see how they're getting golden? Check. You probably want to flip them. Now, I always keep aloe in my kitchen so that if I get a burn, I put water on it immediately. Cool water, not ice, but cool water.
How do we get these ones to?
Yep, you just have to keep flipping them just like that. Yep, just keep moving them around in the oil, and then they'll get, yep, move that other little one over there. Yep, keep flipping them around, and then we'll get golden. Yep, just like that. All right, now take this stack and stack them on top of each other so you have a place to drain. It's okay. All right, now, there you go. Do you want to shout out my son?
Sure.
Because I can. This is my son living in an RV, chilling at mom and dad's house for the day.
My channel name is Because I Can, if that wasn't clear.
Because I Can. That's his channel name.
Cool.
Then be sure to turn off your heat. You have a paper sack right here with powdered sugar in it. And what we do is we put the donuts in. Okay, go ahead and put a couple of donuts in. Do the older one, do the first ones so you don't burn your fingers. About 4 or 5. Close it. They get all powdery. All right, yummy deliciousness right there.